Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 200 meters, turn left. In 100 meters, turn left. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. At the roundabout, take the second exit.